With the Senate officially probing into the weaponization of letter of authority or LOA by BIR personnel, present din sa hearing si former commissioners Lumuagi and even Kim Henares. Key takeaways is that even though yung collection sa LOA represents only a small percentage of total collection at 2% compared to voluntary payment of 98%, LOAs and MOs will stay because yun yung reason to compel yung mga companies to pay proper taxes and to follow tax regulations, kasi kung walang audit, edi wala daw magbabayad ng proper taxes. What happened in these past few years is that even multinational companies are being harassed, and more extreme cases yung mga small businesses, they're given multiple LOAs in a single year. The current BIR commissioner mentioned a loophole na pwedeng ayusin is that yung mga regional directors, they're given kasi absolute authority to issue these. So yun yung hopefully na malinis niya.